and responsibly. I know this is something, Josh, you're watching closely as well, because that also means like we're looking at the drought conditions and how we're getting, of course, more rain.
We are, and a good note, again, just always keep a close eye on any fires that you might be burning. But overall, we are seeing a big improvement with our drought situation.
So good.
At least for the southeast corner of the state. Not to say the same for us here across the I-5 corridor, still residing in that severe drought category with our latest update that comes out every Thursday, demonstrating that we still need to see more moisture. Thankfully, it's on its way as we sit with a bit of a rain deficit. More than a ½ inch or so as the month of October is typically when we start to see those autumn rains and the rain season really start to get underway, as we've already seen over 3/4 of an inch of rain today. But thankfully, those clear skies Wednesday night allowed for some incredible shots of the comet Lemon with 2 M's. Jim taking this incredible video of not only the satellites and planes going by, but again, of the comet brightly shining in the nighttime sky. Maybe you would like to catch a glimpse of it as well. What you're going to want to do is wait about 90 minutes after sunset, specifically on October 21st. That's when the comet will be at its closest to the Earth, and look towards the northwest horizon. Of course, binoculars and a telescope are going to give you a little bit more of an upper hand. But of course, as all astronomical events, it is all determined on if we have the cloud coverage. You got a window Friday and again on Monday, but the rest of the days likely going to be socked in with that cloud coverage. Keep in mind, though, those sunsets getting earlier in the evening, dipping below the horizon at 6:22 today, 6:20 tomorrow. Fast forward to the end of the month, Halloween, we're talking about 5 o'clock hour sunsets. As that cloud coverage is widespread right now, 52 degrees is where we currently reside. Seeing some upper 40s return to not only Salem, but also out towards Tillamook and Troutdale, as that cloud coverage tonight will act a bit like a blanket for us as a ridge of high pressure squashes any rain potential for tonight. Then we stay on the fringe of the jet stream for tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours. Maybe a cloud will throw a raindrop or two our direction as this trough of cooler air dives its way further to the south, not only dropping temperatures this weekend, but increasing our rain potential Saturday night into Sunday. So for the start of the day tomorrow, maybe a light drizzle, a few raindrops. That's about it. Takes us through the lunchtime hour before drier and even clearer skies are a possibility. Then we start to see that patchy fog develop by Saturday morning. It's replaced with mostly cloudy skies and mostly dry conditions for us. And then we start to pick up on that wet weather trend, moving our way through the overnight hours. As rain gauges through about Saturday at 11 o'clock, a couple of 1/100ths of an inch. Looking long term into Sunday, we're talking about close to about a ½ inch of rain across the Portland-Vancouver area. As snow elevation levels, the best chance to see snow dips down to about 4,500 feet for Sunday. Tonight, we keep things dry, cloudy, temperatures falling back into the low 50s. Tomorrow, we rebound back up into the low to mid 60s for the I-5 corridor. But for your corn maze or pumpkin patch forecast, well, get out Saturday. The rain, it holds off until after sunset, and then Sunday, likely going to need to pack the rain boots. As far as our 7-day forecast goes, picking up on a drying trend come Monday into Tuesday, and then the wet weather ramps back up again by the end of next week. But hey, we would like to invite you, the Oregon chapter of the American Meteorological Society hosts their 33rd annual winter weather forecasting conference. It's a great time for all of us meteorologists, but also weather enthusiasts to kind of all meet and chat and kind of forecast out what we expect to see this upcoming winter. OMSI, 10 a.m. Saturday.
And I know that's a real fun event that's been going on for quite some time.
33 years?
Yeah, that should be a lot of fun.
It will be.
All right, Josh, thank you. Brenna